Hello, and welcome to audiobook B4success, the revolution. Be sure about what you need more, success or shelter. If your answer is success, then it's high time to get it. This is chapter 6, the need for success. It's highly recommended that you read the book after watching this video. Let's begin to prepare the roadmap for success.
Hey, welcome again. I hope you have enjoyed the great learnings from chapter 1 to 5. Now it's time to explore the success roadmap. Maybe we are still waiting for the dream to come true, but theoretically we know that how dreams used to come true. Question is, if we know it, then what has been stopping us till now to achieve everything we wanted to achieve? Don't we know what it takes to make our own life a successful enterprise? Does someone need to tell us the benefits of positive attitude, consistent hard work, and dedication? Is it not true that we keep putting our best efforts to achieve what we want to achieve without depending on luck? Are we so incognizant that we can't even recognize the opportunities crossing our way? Obviously not. Then why? A student is still trying hard to achieve advantageous grades in his academics. A fresh graduate is still struggling for the dream job holding big degrees in hand. An employee is still anxious about awaited rewards, recognition, appraisals, or promotions. A boss is still clamoring to elicit peak performance from his employees. A business owner is still contending on mediocre profits. Why? Personal and professional lives are smudged by their unsuitable impacts on each other. Why it is not easy to love, laugh, and mingle effortlessly. Why relationships are battering. Why dependability, trust, cooperation, and motivational stints are demeaning. Why work pressure, stress, frustration, and devalued health have got bigger share than peace and harmony in everyday life. Because, in reality, we are not working for our ever-desired success, but just for enduring survival in personal and professional lives. We are surviving the mediocrity, and that's fine if we are happy and content with mediocrity of life. But the truth is we are neither happy nor content, and longing continuously for true happiness, anticipated from yet-to-be-seen success. The question arises, why are we so discontent and anxious for an awaited success? Why can't we just go and grab it? It seems that we are too busy to work on our far-fetched dreams, so we are holding them as a dormant task to concur with a big bang effort on one fine day. At times, when we feel disesteemed in personal or professional environment, we boil on high thoughts to show the world our vainglory. On that emotional outbreak, the big success becomes the high priority need. We jump to work on big dream to satisfy the emotional belching. Our brain has certain chemistry to deal with emotional fire and to restore the homeostasis. Soon it cools down the heat through autonomic responses. Then we park our big dreams again into cold storage and convince ourselves that Big Bang Day has not yet arrived. We join back the ordinary life of basic survival, but we don't like average life. We remain uncomfortable in self-chosen comfort zone. We keep starving for grand finale of success. This results into the unhappiness that remains sustained. Prolonged wait for anything makes us anxious naturally. Our dreams remain parked in the backyard of brain. We live with great dreams and greater plans, but could not produce results. Why? Is there anything missing in our way of life? Some proclaims may attenuate the zeal by articulating that results are not attained due to motivation and support deficit. Others may justify it through adversity of situations. But the veridical reason is not the shortfall of motivation, support, or favorable situation. It's just that we could not deal greatly with problems we face in everyday life. And surprisingly, this critical and obvious reason remains overlooked. Problems don't remain at the same degree always. They grow and multiply and create more hurdles on the way of success. Dealing rightly with the wrong problems wobbles the runway of success. Dealing wrongly with right problems completely blocks it. Dealing rightly with right problems at right time clears the runway to take off your success plate. Some people will always present their arguments and justifications to advocate their failure as a genuine event. They further justify their reactions to the event as best possible reaction. They will also claim that despite of doing everything right, results didn't appear as expected. The indocile outcome is none of their fault. But then whose fault it actually is? Where is the gap? Right support, healthy personal core, willpower, good luck, great problem-solving skills, right motivation, and even right moves one after another may fail to create the desired outcome because of multiple gaps on the execution path of success. We try to bridge the gaps hop by hop, but we slip in between and fall. We climb up and rebuild the bridge. We fall, we rise. We fall again, we rise again. Gradually, we start losing on support at hand, willpower at heart, and strength at personal core. Problems grow bigger, and luck turns bitter. Something unknown sucks up all our energy, and enthusiasm drops down. Sources of motivation become boring, and hope of success becomes flucky. Negative emotions grow fat, and positive emotions break thin. We still move, but with little lower passion. We continuously feel that something is slimming our willpower and desire for abundance of success. Something unknown is pushing us back to the comfort zone of mediocrity. Unhappiness jolts over our personality and reflects into our behavior. Then our own behavioral acerbity makes our personal core unstable, anxious, and weak. We become weak with this weak personal core. Soon we start believing more in difficulties and less in possibilities. We start losing on our performance levels. The performance leak keeps countermining the success that we could have achieved every day. All that happens because somehow we are trapped into something that not only affects the strength of our personal core, but also slenderizes our desire for success. And that's the gap trap, which has genuinely confined most of us. Question arises how those gaps get created and why. Let's get ready to prevent ourselves from the gap traps of life.